Hello Facebook Ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today I have a very small update for you about Advantage Plus campaigns. There are some new features that Facebook is bringing, so let's go and let's discuss them. So, first of all, this video is going to be very small and short just to explain these changes. If you ever see them, just so that you know what is happening, and it's only for the loyal people of the channel that they bear with me and they watch all of my videos. So, first thing, we have some changes that are happening on the 4th of May and they're going to be rolled to all the ad accounts by the end of the year. Change number one is that now on Advantage Plus campaigns, you will be able to exclude certain things. The first thing that you will be able to exclude is specific areas like zip codes or states or whatever. If you want to advertise for United States, for example, and exclude Oklahoma, then you will be able to do it just with exclusions, okay? You will not be able to just put the zip code and stuff that you want to target. You will have to exclude the rest. And the other thing is ages. You will be able to exclude ages, because there were a lot of people that they were saying that I don't know if they're going to bring it for men and women. I haven't seen it in any of the accounts yet, but you will be able to exclude, let's say, people between the ages of 45 and 65, which means that you will target all the rest. This is how it's working, and of course these changes are going to help a lot of people that they have specific audiences that they couldn't actually target only those, but they had to target all of the audience. Let me tell you that only 10% of the accounts are going to have it now. It's a change that it's going to roll in across accounts for a certain period of time, and these are things that consistently has been asked from people to Facebook, and Facebook listened. If you want to learn more, you can check my book, my free course, or my paid course, and my website, of course. And until we meet again, be creative and be consistent, guys.